This is the SPSS, which you probably don't have access to right now, right?
I don't. I would have to open up the extra little thing.
Right. So I haven't figured out in Excel, but I've been on SPSS. It does it all for you. So.
Yeah, SPSS. It's a lot easier on SPSS, I think.
Are you using SPSS too?
I was, yeah. I don't have it. I've used it before. I don't have it on this one, on this computer, but on the other one I have it, the SPSS, yeah.
Okay.
And that's just, yeah, that was
It's just that it said for 221, which is our class, use Excel, and for 222 and 223, use SPSS.
Oh.
And so it's just like, I'll just use Excel.
Excel's fine. I'm not real good at Excel. So. Jake said he tried to be here. He's running a little. You guys probably got that email too.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little late.
Yeah.
Suddenly tough. Should we just go?
I can just start, and then if I have to go, you guys can finish
Should we
it
just go
off.
right to the group meeting?
Yeah, we can do that and then get us started. And if you guys.
Did any of you start on the homework problems yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
Did you do number 5?
Part 1, 5, or part 2, 5?
11, number 5. For the group meeting quiz?
Oh, you're talking about the quiz, yeah. She's doing the quiz stuff.
Oh, number 5.
Oh, crap.
Yeah,
Lex,
so
you can
I'm
charge it really
working
quick,
on
please.
that right now. That's the one.
It's just right up there. We can plug it in. See if I can space there.
There's a specific formula to it.
Yeah, I think I got 0.2, but I'm not entirely positive if that's what it is.
Can you plug it in for me? Thank you. Oh, you guys are so nice.
Oh.
That is a lot of cilantro.
It is a lot of cilantro, and I'm removing it.
This is going to be the coolest meeting ever.
Why? Because... Why is it the coolest meeting ever?
It's just because it's going to be the coolest. I've decided.
He's cool.
Okay.
Everybody's cool.
Everyone's in a different place.
I know, and I'm hoping my...
Where are you?
I'm in Zions, Utah.
So everyone here is in a different state right now.
See, I'll show you where I'm at if you can see it.
I'm in Utah right now.
Oh, you are
Can
in
you see it?
In my bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
I thought you were in Idaho for
I
some
was in
reason.
Island Park up until Monday night.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you probably can't see.
Oh, is this for me? Yeah.
What are you showing, Josh?
Oh, I'm showing where I'm at.
So you guys, are you
What?
somebody's house or is it a rental?
I saved him.
It's my parents' house.
It's not somebody
Are
to
they actually in Zions, or right by Zions?
No, thank you.
Yeah, have you been there before?
You know, my parents used to live in St. George, and we went there all
Okay.
the time. And I only went to Zions like twice of all those years.
There, when you first pull into like Springdale, there's like a Chevron gas station, and then their house is behind that on the road, right on the river, kind of.
Oh, cool. Can you go fishing in the river?
Oh yeah, we go fishing. We went and played in the river yesterday.
Oh, really fun.
No.
That was so much fun. All right.
Okay, so should we just get started and then when Jake joins?
Yeah, we can start now. I've had other homework to do, so I've looked at this stuff. I haven't really answered any questions,
Yeah.
except for the first two.
I just worked hard on it, and I have 2 computers going, but I was looking for a banana bread recipe on Pinterest, and then Pinterest kind of overtook.
That actually sounds kind of good.
You know, I love to cook, and I've been so busy I haven't been able to do any of it. So anyway, easy to start.
All right, here we go. Number 3. Did you guys all do 3? The previous lesson.
Yeah, number 3 I said. Oh, sorry, go on.
Oh no, sorry. We are making a different assumption about that one is full. Would that one is one? Is it we assume that is the same as the mean?
don't we assume that it's unknown?
Okay, it's
That's
unknown, right?
Mhm.
Oh, I thought it was a new. The null hypothesis of the is equal to. Steph, have you done 4, Steph?
Yes.
5 was the last one I did, I think. Yeah.
So I put on 4 that because it's asking is sigma known, and no, it's not known. It says it right there. The standard deviation of sigma is not known.
Yeah, it's not known.
Right.
Yeah.
Do you agree on that? Emma?
So it's not.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
So they known. It's not known, right?
Mhm.
Which is the purpose of this whole chapter. And that's where the
It
whole
is.
T component comes in, is because sigma is not known.
And now it says, have you done 5, Steph?
Used to 100.
I have, but I don't think I have the right answer.
I did 5. I got 0.2. No,
So, hang on.
I will have
That's
some
my
checks
calculator. Because it's the formula T equals x minus u divided by s divided by the square root of n.
That is the formula, yeah.
That is the formula. I'm just like trying to read.
Oh, you're okay.
So what did you guys get for 5?
I'm working on it right now.
I got varying answers. My first answer was 7, so I know that's not right. So if we do that formula range, basically, right? If we take those numbers, isn't it 11 minus 8? Is that where we're getting the mu? Wouldn't that be 8?
Yeah, I think it's 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9.
Or do we do...
Oh, shoot, I got it.
Because isn't it the t equals x bar minus mu over s over the square root of n? Isn't that the formula we're using?
Right. But what I'm wondering is if we need to put anything in parentheses anywhere.
Oh, I don't think so.
Does that make sense? Like...
No, I know what you're talking about. What did you, when you did it without parentheses, what did you get?
What did I get? That's where I got 0.5555 without parentheses.
Okay, let's all do this together. Let's all do this. So we got 11 minus 3.
Okay,
11
Oh,
minus
I'm
8.
sorry. I made 11 minus 8, sorry. 11 minus 8. And then we divide that by 3, right?
Divide by 6.
6. Why am I getting 3? Divided by 6. And then we divide that by the square root of 9.
Yes. Which is 3.
Oh my gosh. I got 10.6.
I got
555, right?
I got
I got 10.5555, yeah.
So did I.
Wait, what?
I did it that way.
Yeah, I got 10.55555555.
Yeah.
I did it again and I got the same number. I got 0.1666666.
Alright. 11 minus 8
Okay.
11
divided by 6.
Divided by the square root of 9. I get 10.555555.
That's what I got too. I think we're not doing parentheses, so I wonder if we did parentheses if that make a difference.
That's what I'm wondering.
Maybe.
So,
So, because I just did 11 minus 8 is 3, so I just put 3.
Did you square root the 9 or did you square root the rest of what you were getting?
I square rooted the 9.
Because, you know, we square root 9.
It's 3.
The square root of 9 is just 3. So do 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by 3.
10.5555.
I still got 10.555. I still got that.
So did I.
11
Yep.
minus 8 divided by
11 minus
6 divided by 3.
3.
I keep getting the same
10.55.
number.
You're getting so... Really? 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by 3. I still got 7.555.
That is so weird. I don't know how to explain that. I'm doing it the same process that I've done all the other.
I don't know how. The only way I can see is if I go 11 minus 8 is 3. Then I'll go 3 divide 6 divide 3. And that gives me 0.166666.
Hang on. How did you do that? You did them separately.
Yeah, so if I do 11 minus 8, which is 3, So I'll just do 3 divided by 6 divided by 3.
Oh, okay. So I did the two separate. So
Yeah, I don't know if we have to, I don't know if it matters. I don't know which one we should do, the separate one or the...
I need another problem to compare
Well-
on the homework. Let me see on the homework. I got it printed off here if I can find it really quick.
What?
Jason, please tell us. Jason.
Okay, I'm gonna check it with a homework answer here.
Good morning, for Peggy Morris. Please return to pharmacy.
What number do you guys keep getting?
10.555.
Maybe it is 1.5. Oh, well, I did a different way and I got 1.5, and maybe it is 1.5.
No, 10.5.
Place first.
It's 10.5.
Okay,
1 second, I'm getting help from my husband.
Nice.
because if you're doing 6 divided by 3 first,
Uh-huh.
then it's going to be 1.5. Otherwise, it's going to be you're dividing by 6 and then dividing by 3 after that. It's going to be smaller than 1.5.
Okay, and I want to do this first, and then divide?
Or are you going to multiply by 3 and divide by 6? That work too.
That would work.
So here, just think of it like this, and you'll get 1.5. Now the question is that I would ask is it supposed to be like that or not?
So this, yeah, this formula right here.
Oh, yeah, okay. Do it that way.
Okay,
You know what?
so
I compared it to a homework answer. It needs to be in parentheses.
It needs to be in parentheses?
Mm-hmm. So the
okay, I did it again the way my husband showed me, and I got 1.5.
right.
Steph, let's try to put it in, so it is, let's try to do in the parentheses.
If you're all wrong together.
That's right. So 11 minus 8.
When I compared it to a homework answer, I had the answer for, so I worked it without parentheses and with parentheses. And with the parentheses is what gives me the right answer.
Okay.
So for example, that S,
Mm-hmm.
you divide by the square root of n. You don't divide the whole problem by the square root of n, just that S divided by the square root of n. So
Mm-hmm.
that's your parentheses on that. And then the x minus u would be its number.
You can also
I got-
algebraically move it because it's something divided by something. You can take the bottom two somethings and kind of switch it over. So it's 11 minus 8, all of that times 3, all of that divided by 6. That gets the same answer,
Of 1.5, right?
1.5.
Yeah. Oh, good old
Okay,
parentheses.
1.5.
All right, number 6. Use the following values which are pulled from the data. Copy and paste them into the software. Hey, you can use that into your SPSS, right?
It says SPSS or Excel. And I put
Oh,
it
did
into
you put it-
Excel
what
into, I just don't know if I put it into the right tab or not.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. You were glitching. I was glitching.
Oh, sorry. I don't know if I put the variables in the right tab in Excel or not.
And I don't know.
Hey, Stephanie,
Yeah,
do you have that SPSS pulled up?
I do.
Put it in there. I think that'll be faster.
Okay.
Because I think SPSS will do it for us.
Let me get a new
So I think-
open.
I think what this is telling me is X bar is 98.220, but I'm not positive at all. I'm far from positive.
Oh. Okay, let me get a new one open. So then I'm just going to copy and paste that.
Just copy and paste in there, yeah?
Oh, shoot. Okay. I'm like working off two computers here. Sorry.
What's that?
But I'm working off two computers here, so.
Are you still looking at banana bread? She's still looking at banana nut bread.
Apparently.
Oh my gosh, what is that sound?
I don't know, it might be me eating.
No, not that. I hear like people. It sounds like you're like a car dealership or something.
She's at a grocery store.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm at a grocery store.
I was
I
like,
can
that's-
mute, like I said earlier, if the
Oh,
noise
that's,
is annoying, I can
oh,
mute.
it's okay. Oh, it's not annoying. No, it's.
You're just wondering, huh?
I was in a general wonderment. Oh, it's 90 something degrees here.
It is not 90-something degrees here.
Okay.
It's so hot here.
Okay, so what is X? So this, if I plug this all in, this is supposed to give us all the details, right?
Yep.
Let me get to that. How to do what on it? So I'm going to go into Analyze.
And it should give us our X and our S.
On the T1 sample, right?
Yep.
And then I'm supposed to put in the test value, which was, it said that's the common mistake, is that the test value doesn't get put in. Which is 98.6, right? Because we're looking at
98.6, yep.
Okay. All right. Getting the numbers and
Oh.
where's the X? I've got the mean, I've got the standard deviation. What you got? Isn't X the
X bar is the sample mean.
right?
What's that?
X bar is the sample mean.
I'll mean your sample.
Let me see.
I'll mean your sample.
One sample statistic. I got the mean, but it's not saying sample mean. Would that be it? So, I mean, it's giving me a mean of 98.264. So I guess that's
Okay.
the sample mean, right? That's the sample mean as well, correct?
That's what I would say.
Probably.
98.224. And it should give you an S score too.
It does. What did I say? 98 point. So it's kind of interesting. It gives me, it says t-test data set 1. I wonder if I was using it for something
It gives you a
else.
T-score?
Well, yeah, it gives everything. Concerned that maybe because I've done it twice, that it's bringing up health
It's
information.
really strong chocolate flavor. It's nice. Goes well with donuts.
Let me just run it again really quick, because I don't want to be crossing it.
No, you're fine. No, you're fine.
Okay, so I'm going to reopen it just so I know I'm not crossing information.
Oh, that's fine. Look at these ones. What is S?
Okay, I'm glad I did that because that was it was comparing the two different sets of data I was doing. So Because I used the information from the one Excel sheet, so it had two different sets.
Oh, two separate things?
Okay, so I cleared everything and I put in just the information from the test. And the mean is 98.220. Is that what I said?
Okay.
220?
That's what I got too.
98.220.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so then the next question is, what is S?
Mhm.
And S is,
S is the sample standard deviation. I don't know if that is the point
the
0.922. I don't know if it's the 0.922 or the 0.206.
standard error mean.
error of the
Okay, let me
mean.
go back to the reference here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. It's the standard deviation. S equals the
Okay.
standard deviation. So that's the 0.92201.
I just got 0.922.
That works. That's as far as we have to go.
0.922.
Okay. 0.9. Okay, the T-score is negative.
Yeah, negative 1.843.
Yep.
1.843?
Uh-huh. So it's negative. Make sure it's negative, Josh. Negative 1.843.
Oh, negative. Okay. Thank you.
Emma, are you doing this all in Excel?
Yeah, I'm doing it in Excel.
I'm gonna have to figure out how that one works.
It's a copy and paste thing. You copy and paste the thing, variables into column A, and then you input the null hypothesis, and then it outputs all the rest of the numbers,
Oh.
just automatically.
Okay, so then the p-value.
For the p-value, I got 0.9595. Blah 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 blah.
And I haven't. We get that out of the applet, right? On the applet to get it.
No, I got it in Excel. It says p-value right here.
Let's try it in the applet.
Did you guys already eat? Are you making the sandwiches, Mom?
What did you get on your
Right.
p-value again?
On the Excel spreadsheet, it says that it's 0.959518178.
Okay. I was just trying to plug it into the applet. No, I'm getting 0.933. I'm not sure that's the correct one.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
You're here. Hi. Have you done any of the homework problem, like the group problems yet?
Quiz.
Unlike the quiz
The
part
group
or
quiz.
the
Yeah, the quiz.
yeah, I've started it. I'm on question 6.
That's where we're at. Well, actually, no,
We
we're
did
on
question
7.
9. Just get to question 9.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we are on 9. Ha 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 ha.
No, we'll help you with the others.
I can hurry and
Well, you
get
can't
ahead
get question 9 without.
doing all the rest of that.
Wait, do you want to
using the
double check
Excel.
your answers with ours though?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll double check real quick. For let's see, for 3 I put A. We assume that sigma is unknown.
Yeah, we put unknown.
Unknown,
Number
yep.
2. Number 2, right?
It's the second one on mine, but I think it might be
Yeah, it's
different
the
on
second
it.
one.
Oh, that's
But he
right.
did say unknown, so
Yeah.
it is unknown.
unknown. And then 4 I put is sigma known. I put no.
Correct.
That's what we put.
And then for 5 I put 1.5.
That's what we put.
And now I'll hurry and I'll just catch up to you guys real quick. I'll work this up.
Are you working through SPSS or through Excel?
SPSS.
Okay, I'm the odd man out then. I'm the only one working through Excel.
It's all good. Now we have 2 ways to check, and we have like a double checking of it.
Yeah, it's really good. However, it did say that there could be a slight rounding difference on some things depending
Yeah.
on what you
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Hey, Steph, on that SPSS, did it give us the p-value?
No, it doesn't. But isn't the
Well-
the t isn't that equal to the z-score? So I plugged
Yeah,
that
you can
in.
put that in the applet. Yeah, you can put that in the applet.
Yeah, so I put that
It says for a large,
Uh-huh.
when the n is large, then t is z. What's the n again?
It's 20. Is it not large though?
Yeah, I guess that's large.
So then do I
But-
shade the center or the?
I think you shade the center.
And then I'm getting 0.9333, and you were getting 0.9.
I was getting, for the p-value,
Uh-huh.
I got 0.959518178. That's what the Excel spreadsheet gave me.
I think it might be a rounding thing, which then makes me nervous on what the answer is.
What did yours say, Steph?
0.9333?
0.9662?
No, 3. Just 3. Repeating 3.
Oh, 0.9. 0.9.
But see, that's where it could be a rounding difference. And if we're supposed to use Excel
Yeah.
instead of SPSS, then I wonder what the answer's going to be.
I don't know.
We'll see what Jay gets on his, because he's doing SPSS too.
Yeah, I'm waiting for mine to open. My SPSS is taking forever to open up.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, that's well.
No, it does take forever.
Jason, can you come to the back room, please? Jason, to the back room. I did 101, Brandon, 101. Floral Department 201.
Hello? Yep, sure is. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Okay. So, it usually takes up to a couple weeks to get all So, let me, it's gotten super content, or it's gotten super content.
So either way, our p-value, like if it's yours, Stephanie, or if it's mine, the p-value is greater than the a that is given. So we reject the null.
You reject the null hypothesis.
No, if the P is low, reject the null.
Yeah, but our p is high.
Right. If the P is lower than the level
But
of
our p is higher than the a.
Right, so we don't reject it.
No, our p is higher, so we do reject it. I wrote down in the homework from last week. It said when p-value is greater than a, then you fail to you fail to reject.
Fail to reject.
You're right. I'm sorry. You are right.
No, there was
So-
there was that little saying. It was when p is null, then when p is low, then you reject the null.
Reject the null.
So on 10 it's fail to reject null.
Any other service or your first
Fail to reject. Yep.
visit, it's always
Fail to
30
reject.
Okay.
Because if
Okay, Emma.
Uh-huh.
I've got Excel open. How do you do it? So I copy and paste my numbers.
Yeah, you copy and paste the numbers into the A column, and then you change the in D10. There's the null hypothesis, and you change it to 98.6.
Is that column D10?
Huh?
Column D10?
Yeah, D10 is the column, the cell that you want to change and put the null hypothesis in.
Okay, and then is there a function that you hit or something like that?
No, there's no function. You just input those numbers, and then it should automatically compute.
I'm very Excel challenged. I don't do it. So,
I am. That's what I'm doing.
so where do you find the
Sorry?
computation scores?
Huh?
So I put everything in the columns, but where do you see the scores that come out?
The scores automatically come out in all these other cells.
Oh, nothing came out in mine.
Really?
Okay,
Well,
So in the A1 column, you put all the scores, right?
right.
yeah, and
And
variable
then what do
1
you
and
do?
variable the variables below from like 13 to 22, C through H. The variable 1, n, mean, standard deviation, standard error of the mean, those change when you put those numbers in. It just automatically changes when you copy and paste.
I didn't see it. Unless I need to. Hey Jake, what do you have?
Okay, for the sample mean,
Uh-huh.
is it 98.22?
Uh-huh.
That's what we got.
We
Yep.
put 220 because it says to round to 3.
Okay, right, 0.220. So the S would be, I just barely computed it, now I'm looking over it. The S,
The S is just the standard deviation we found.
Yeah.
That's what we're putting.
man, which one was that? Looking at all my little charts and stuff, is it 0.922?
Yes.
That's
Yep.
what we put.
Okay.
Yep.
9, and then what is the T score? Let me compute the T real quick.
Oh, screen share. I can share my screen here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what I'm getting right here for the p-value.
And that's on Excel, huh?
Uh-huh.
So I put everything in the columns and it just shows numbers in the columns.
Well, yeah. So I had nothing in these columns before I inputted these numbers. And I inputted these numbers and I changed the null hypothesis right here from the default, which was 10.
Do you have your numbers where you can copy and paste them again and just start from scratch and show it?
Yeah. Here, let me delete these.
Was your guys' T value, was it negative
Oh,
1.843?
wait, that.
Yep. That's what we got.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, sweet.
it up.
Okay, this was the default when I opened it up.
For Excel?
Here, let me copy and paste this.
Oh, you copied
Okay,
like
good.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay, but see,
It-
my Excel doesn't look like that when I open it up.
oh, this was okay. This was the default when I opened it up, but this is the tab that I want right here. The one sample t-test tab.
Ooh.
I don't have that on mine.
Oh,
Emma, you're using a Mac with your Excel?
yes.
Okay, last semester we did a ton of stuff in Excel with like statistics and stuff. And there's something, it's a whole different process doing it on a Mac. There's another thing that you need to get on and download. I don't know what it is. I'm not a Mac user, but I know that a lot of the kids in our class, that was the actual traditional class.
You did?
I've been. Oh, wait, what?
Go ahead.
A lot of kids had to
I haven't
switch
had
to
any
rent
trouble so
computers.
far.
All right.
Yeah, so far all the numbers have come up right. It's just that Emma's using Excel and I'm using SPSS, and so
Right.
our p-value is where we're kind of a little trying to figure that one out.
Okay, so I copied it into here, and then I changed this to, let's see, what was it? 98.6.
Where are you opening that Excel sheet from, though? Are you just opening Excel? Because mine doesn't come up that way, and I have a Mac.
Oh,
I've got both.
so when you go to the lesson, there is
Ah,
a specific copy of Excel that you download,
got it.
and it has these all pre-computed, or these cells pre-set up.
Okay. That would make sense, yeah.
So, yeah, the lesson, the Excel file is called quantitative interferential. I can't speak. Inferential procedures. Quantitative inferential procedures XLS.
I saw that. Where is that? Hmm. And it's in the textbook?
Yeah.
Do you know what step or what number of it?
It's right at the beginning.
Right at the beginning.
Step 4.
Step 4, confidence intervals. Let me see where that. The automatic language translation program.
Step 4 of lesson 11. Oh, sorry. It's 3 hypothesis tests. Step 4.
Okay.
It's really close to the top.
Question on number 9.
Yeah.
Do we with the when we use the applet, do we just shade to the left, or do we shade the left tail and the right tail?
You shade the middle.
For sure.
Because I'm pretty sure, because like when we met yesterday, all the stuff we were doing was we shaded in the middle. I'm not positive. I can't say that I'm positive. You're right.
Yeah, I'm reading in the notes right here. It says p-value is the probability of getting a test statistic at least as extreme as the one you got, assuming HO is true. A p-value is calculated by finding the area under the normal distribution curve that is more extreme, further away from the mean than the z-score. The alternative hypothesis tells us whether we look at both tails or only one.
You're right.
So the
I think
tails-
it's the right side then, because it's the greater than.
It's saying less than, actually.
Oh, you are right.
Yeah, it's less than.
It's the left side.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're okay.
Keep leading you straight. Did you ever find the Excel spreadsheet, Stephanie?
Hey, Mike, we love you here so much.
Yeah. I can't find where the link is to open it on the homework page.
Okay, on the homework page, here.
Oh, you're on the homework page or are you in the book?
Okay, I sent a link in the chat here.
Hey Jake, what did you get for your p-value?
Man, I'm trying to decide if we shade both tails or just the left
All
tail.
right.
I hate that, man. There's so much stuff with the different tails. I'm like, man, I don't know which tail to do.
Stupid tail.
Because I remember it saying something like 2 lessons back about that it's as least as extreme or something, and so you shade both tails, and I don't know.
I think you're right. You shade the left side.
Yeah, that would make sense, and I that's what I'm leaning towards. But right now I've got them both shaded because I don't know any better, so I'm looking.
Well, I think that if you have both shaded, I mean, it would have to be the what is it? Equal hypothesis versus not equal.
Right, I think you're right.
But this is the equal hypothesis versus greater than, or no, less than. Equal hypothesis versus less than, which is the left side.
Right, I think you're right. I'm just double checking, trying to find it.
So Stephanie, did you get the message that I sent?
Yep, you're right, Emma.
Stephanie?
Nice work, Emma. So did you get 0.933 for your p-value?
Let me click up there and see.
I'll do it.
0. I got 0.0327.
Sorry, I can't hear
but I don't
anybody.
know if I did it right.
Breaking up.
Hi Stephanie, did you? I sent a link.
What was that, Jake?
Oh. I don't know if I did it right. I just plugged in for the z-score.
I still can't. I can't.
You can't hear us still?
Steph, you can't hear us?
Not really. Let me try.
It's okay. Welcome back. And the milk was not $10. It was 10 for $10. But the almond milk was very good.
Man, I'm not sure that I'm doing this right. What did you put in for your z-score in the applet? I think I did that part wrong because I just plugged in my t-score. I don't know, I'm backtracking. I didn't prepare for this very well.
No, that's fine.
Good morning.
What is the p-value? Well,
Jason and I are collectively working on that today. I did us one day, but there's some tweaking that needs to be done. I need to look that over, so collectively we'll catch it today.
Thank you.
what? Yeah. Hopefully, I think Stephanie said she's trying to rejoin.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Oh, okay.
I hear that. You all right?
Attention circumstance 201.
Okay.
Steph, almost welcome back.
Yeah. Josh, what did you get for that? For your p value, or for your whatever it was, the p?
The p-value, we got 0.922.
Yeah, divide 0.081 by 2.
There he is.
Is that what you got? Is that what you got?
For I just got a. I found something in the reading. You divide. It says that you take sig two-tailed and you divide it by 2, and that'll give you your p-value.
So we take the 0.922 and divide it by 2?
No.
Sig,
Where did
oh,
So if you look on your output of your SPSS,
uh-huh. I'm on my, I actually don't have my SPSS because I left my good computer at home and I don't have my computer that has the SPSS on it.
right? Okay. So with it, after we do a test to compute, the t-test stuff.
Okay.
And it says that you take. Let me double check and reread this to make sure. One sample test. Okay. So it says to determine the p-value, we just there's a box that shows us in like a table. It says
Okay.
sig two-tailed. So that gives us the p-value for the two-tailed, but since what we're doing is not two-tailed, it's the single-tail, you just divide that by 2. And so
Okay.
What I got for an answer is 0.041.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to roll through.
0.041.
Yep, 0.041. Hopefully that's right. That's what it says to do. So.
Hey, Steph. Stephanie.
Yeah.
It's always an adventure.
Is that any better?
Oh, there you go. I can hear you now. Can you hear us? So we reject the. Number 10, we got failed to reject the null hypothesis. But now I'm going to have to see because we got a different p-value.
And I don't know. I hope
What
I'm
was your p-value?
hearing you guys up. What I got for the p-value, I don't know if this is right, but it's 0.0405, which rounds to 0.041. The way
Okay,
that
that's kind of what I got when I reevaluated the thing. But I got 0.0404.
okay, so we're
So I
right,
just,
right there, close.
yeah.
So,
So
yeah, I rounded it.
So for 10, I put reject the null hypothesis since it's smaller than the A, alpha.
So we reject the null because it's less than alpha, right?
Uh-huh.
It's less than alpha, yep.
Okay.
Oh, I can hear you guys now.
Well, we got failed to reject. But I think since we have a different p-value, I think it is reject the null now.
Okay. So
Hey, Stephanie. I don't know if she can hear me. Steph, are you still there? What did she get? If the p-value, if the thing is low, reject the null. Yeah, we got failed to reject the null, but I think we had a different p-value, so now I think it is reject with the p. It is reject with the p lower than the null.
That's what I changed.
Okay.
Yep. So it's reject. Yep. So we change it.
Yep.
All right. I'll text them. On number 11 now.
Yeah.
Let me go tell.
Number 11, I got 0.995.
On number 11.
Uh-huh. I just went ahead and finished up the rest of the questions because I gotta go pretty soon.
Yeah, we're hiking the Narrows in about 5 minutes.
Nice.
Oh gosh.
We can crank this out. We'll get her done. Do statistics. Plots.
You can stay till the place closes, but I'll leave.
Okay. First alternate hypothesis is.
Hey, Ryan. Come and eat your lunch, buddy.
That's a treat. Oh gosh. Okay.
I'm making us try, buddy.
Do you want me to just spit out what I got for the last of the questions?
Yeah, you can do that, and then we can compare. I don't know if I did 11 right, but.
Oh, I've done the rest of them, 11 through 15.
What did you get for those?
For 11, I got .995. For 12, I put fail to reject the null hypothesis. For 13, I put increase. For 14, I put fail to reject the null hypothesis. Wait a second. I thought that I changed it. Never mind. Let me reevaluate this.
Okay. I just barely computed mine, so now I just gotta read it. See.
So on number 10, I just want to make sure on number 10 we're rejecting the null hypothesis, right?
That's what I put.
Yes. Yep.
Okay, yeah. For 12 and for 14, I put fail to reject null hypothesis. And for 15, I put 11. Question 11.
Okay. So this is two-tailed, or no, is that not two-tailed? Okay.
For which one?
Sorry.
On 11?
11 is two-tailed, so it is. I got
Yeah.
.995 as well.
Okay.
So what decision would you make? Let's see.
Fail to reject because it is bigger than the level of
Right.
significance.
Fail to reject. You decide to try another null hypothesis, and that would be one-sided. Keep the same. Did your p-value increase or decrease? Well, it's gonna it should. Hang on.
Well, it went from .995 to .502 for me, so
Mine went to .4975 because you divide the first one. Since it's
I'm just saying what the Excel spreadsheet automatically
but then on
outputs.
13, yeah, 13, then it switches. So you gotta divide that by 2. So that, for me, it completely decreased. For you, it should decrease too, though, right?
Yeah, mine did decrease, actually.
So,
And 12, you got failed to reject the null hypothesis, right?
yeah. Isn't it fail to reject on both of them?
Yeah, I got failed to reject on both of them.
Right. That should be right, because it's .01 that we're testing against, and we're way above that.
And then for 15, it says compared with the width of the confidence interval for 11 to the confidence interval for 13, which is wider, and I put 11. Is that right?
Our sample size didn't change, and our level of significance didn't change. So it all should stay the same, right?
I had they are the same. That's what I put. I put they are the same, and then she had question 11.
Oh, yeah, you are right. They are the same. Okay. Well, should I submit this and see what happens?
Do it.
Go for it.
He says.
Submit. I got 100%.
Sweet. That's awesome. Man, that was shooting from the hip. From me.
You did good, buddy.
All right. Well, do you guys want me to say off my answers again, or should I just go?
I've got all mine. I just submitted mine,
They can message
Okay.
you.
actually. But thanks for the help.